MakerVerse offers an extensive additive manufacturing offering. From industrial polymer 3D printing to high-tech metal 3D printing, we have got you covered. For your part, you can select a wide range of additive manufacturing technologies. Some of the more popular technologies are available here. But we also offer more niche technologies such as polyjet and binder jetting are located in these other sections. If you do not see a technology you are looking for, you can always select a custom technology and let us know what you are looking for. Once you have selected a technology, you can see the wide range of materials available for it. If you have a custom material request, you can select it here. Then you can type your custom material request into this field. In this case, let's choose a well-known material such as PLA. Our pricing engine also takes into account the reduced production cost for larger quantities. Just enter your desired quantity and save. You'll be able to see the new unit price and how the unit price cost savings are passed on to you as a customer. Depending on your project needs, you can select from different lead time options. The respective lead time in business days are shown here. Simply select your desired lead time and click Generate Online Quote to receive your quote right away. If you have any concerns regarding the manufacturability of your part or would like more pricing and lead time options, click Request Engineering Review. You'll get a response from our service team within 24 hours of your request. Each step of the way, the MakerVerse additive manufacturing technology offering provides you instant pricing for your parts.